Last night we hit the profit target, or actually got this trade in crude oil. We have a breakout strategy that takes trades in the after hours for crude oil, carries them into the next day. $700 profit target, $300 stop loss. This will be added to the bonus section of our new book, Algorithmic Trading System, so you'll have access to that later today. I'm going to put the code and the workspace in there for you, and this daily PL indicator, so you can see that. And basically it just takes a breakout after the 2:30 close. This red line indicates the end of session, so this is based on Eastern Time. 1700 is 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the next bar you see is 1801, which is 6:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It starts at 6, but the timestamp on each bar is the close of the bar. So each bar closes, timestamp represents the close, so a 6 o'clock start time would mean that it closes at 6:01, so it'd be 18:01, 6:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so it's an overnight strategy, but during the week, this overnight trade is not a big deal. The market is only closed for an hour. Technically, you could get out and then get back in because there's usually not a very big difference in there. And the over the weekend trade would be a bigger deal and a bigger risk, which you could do the same thing. You could get out on the last minute and then come in on Sunday night at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time and put a limit order back in at that price. Sometimes the market might open in your favor, which means against the trade, and you can get back in at a better price if it opens. The hard part is, though, is if you get out and then it gaps up on you and it never comes back and then hits the profit target. So you could miss some winners, but you could get in over time some better trades by getting in at a lower price when it reopens. So haven't tested that gap method yet. Right now it's just really simple plain code. And so I will post the bonus section of the Algorithmic Trading Systems, and I have it only in TradeStation right now, but hope to have that in NinjaTrader soon. But if you have NinjaTrader, you can also see the rules. They're very simple. You can even manually trade it. So that's the update. Hope everyone has a good Labor Day weekend. We'll talk next week.